Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to unbox and test a FRONTECH 2.0 USB powered multimedia speakers model SPK-0001. We'll take a look at what's inside the box, go through the features and finally test the sound quality to see whether these budget speakers are worth buying. So let's get started. The speakers arrived in this Amazon package. Let's open it up and see what's inside. And here it is, the FRONTECH 2.0 USB powered multimedia speakers retail box. On the front of the package, you can see the FRONTECH branding along with an image of the speakers. The model number is SPK-0001. The box also highlights some of its key features. These are 10 watts multimedia speakers with an inline volume control, USB powered operation and foam edge speaker drivers designed to deliver better sound quality. Moving to the side of the package, you will find additional product information. Inside the box, you get two multimedia speakers and MRP printed on the package is 1200 rupees. On the other side, the detailed specifications are listed, including the 10 watts total output and a 1-year limited warranty. Now let's open the box and see what we get inside. The speakers are securely packed in a protective plastic cover. Along with the speakers, we also get the connecting cables and a small user manual. If you are setting these up for the first time, you can refer to this manual for installation instructions. Let's keep that aside and unwrap the speakers. And here we have the left and right satellite speakers. One interesting feature is the foam edge surrounding each speaker driver. This foam edge helps reduce distortion and improves sound clarity, giving you cleaner audio while listening to music or watching videos. Here is the attached cable with the inline volume controller. And at the end, you will find a USB connector for power and a 3.5 mm audio jack for connecting the speakers to your device. Now let's peel off the protective plastic film from the front. The speakers actually look quite stylish with their sleek black finish combined with orange accents. The FRONTECH branding on the front gives them a clean and modern appearance. Each speaker uses 2.5-inch driver and altogether they deliver a total output of 10 watts. Now it's time to connect them and see how they perform. To power up the speaker, simply plug the USB connector into any 5-watt USB port. You can use a laptop, desktop, computer, TV, USB adapter or even a power bank. Next, connect the 3.5 mm audio jack to your PC, laptop, TV or any device with a standard headphone output. Once connected, you will notice a small light glowing on the volume controller, indicating that the speakers are powered on. Now let's play some music and test the sound. After listening to them, I'd say the speakers are surprisingly loud for their price. The sound is clear, vocals are crisp, and they are perfectly suitable for watching movies, YouTube videos, online classes, or everyday music listening. Since these are compact multimedia speakers, don't accept deep bass like you'd get from a dedicated woofer or subwoofer. But for regular use with a PC, laptop or TV, they perform really well considering their affordable price. Overall, if you are looking for a budget USB powered speaker with decent sound quality, the FRONTECH SPK-0001 is definitely worth considering. If you would like to buy these speakers, I have added the purchase link in the video description below.